emancipation, popularly known as the father of our nation, an advocate of universal brotherhood and equality. Yes, I am talking about Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji spread the message of love and mutual tolerance. He was opposed to all forms of violence, a crusader for women's liberation. He always raised his voice against caste discrimination, a practitioner of vegetarianism and ahimsa. He vehemently propagated the use of charkha. Truth is God was his philosophy. He believed that the science of non-violence alone can lead one to pure democracy. To London, he went for higher education. In South Africa, he fought for the rights of Indian population. An absolute altruist by nature, his knowledge and global experience changed our nation's future. He drove the British out of India with his policies of truth and non-violence. He always favored the brave, but not those who were violent. This personality is Mahatma Gandhiji, who didn't care about himself. But now you understand why he was a Mahatma himself?
The most polite but firm enough. He was always for peace, but marched forward in war. He won the hearts of farmers and also that of soldiers. He was the second Prime Minister, and when he came, the slogan echoed all around. New bell we are calling the theatre, and we have to play our parts to save others. Individual identity has nothing to do but to establish the truth. Truth is our land, truth is our sovereignty, truth is we are free and free to do anything for all welfare. Each man is the ambassador of peace and each man reflects his own act.